Hey, what's up, guys? This is J Videos, and I found this GFS model. It shows all the rain that's supposed to be coming toward the Midwest and Wisconsin. You know, it looks like up in central to northern Minnesota and northwestern Wisconsin might get hit hard with snow, and unfortunately, that's going to cause a lot of flooding. And we're going to be seeing a lot of heavy rain in southern Wisconsin. So I'm going to move this, and as you see. Yeah, this tablet's a little bit slow, but okay, this is the 9th of April. Here it comes, see? That just bombs us. And it looks like there's another one too. See, here, I'll play it over again. Here it comes. It's the first one that goes right in Wisconsin, and we're already experiencing major flooding here. This is April 16th, and we get more rain right there. Here comes another one. So yeah, it's not looking good with the flooding. You know, I think this spring's gonna be historically really bad with the floods this year. You know, yeah, because if you get all the snow up in this area and you get rain up here, the snow streams down the rivers and lakes and stuff, and it goes down here, and then we get the heavy rain, and that sets up for a very bad situation. So I will keep you guys updated on this. Have a good day.